Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Ooh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.
That's cauliflower. Nice juice.
Comment down below and give a like and subscribe to Kids Love Food.
That
Like
is
what you
nicer.
see.
Whoa, that's so many. I can't even think of them.
Because we kids love.
So we just came out of a Domino's pizza order, and this guy just gave us a strange brown box under it. And for your information, this has no pizza in it at all. So, first thing first, he gave us wrong pizza anyways. It was like another thing that he gave us the right thing. So this one has whatever this is. It has a normal pizza, as you normally get. Normal pizza of your choice. But all of a sudden, he gives us this. It's just a plain box with nothing inside it. I think this is like social distancing for pizza, you know. We've gone too far now. Social distancing of 2 inches. I mean, seriously, man. Say if we order pizza every single day, we end up stacks of this. So we just normally have a normal pizza here, but this is, I don't know, we didn't ask for this, and we didn't want this, but he just gave us an empty box of garbage. Just an empty box. This is not needed at all, unless you want to do your own pizza service. But first anyway, the guy gave us our wrong pizza order in the first place. Yes. Anyway, that's that. Yes, it's hopping, blah blah blah. Has nothing to do with an extra box of your pizza. What is this here for anyway? All I want is this. I don't really want this. So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go down and put a thumbs up and bye.
We love food.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Kids Love Food and share and like and comment down below.
Kids love food.
Ooh, what's that? It looks like a croissant.
Anyway, Kids Love Food.